Assembling aluminum scaffolding is quick, simple and highly efficient. We begin by placing the H-frames on wheels or directly on a plain surface if the movement is not required. Once the frames are positioned, parallel bracings are connected securely using push clamps, ensuring stability. Next, staircases are added to both H-frames for easy and safe access. A working platform is then placed on the top, allowing us to climb up and continue the assembly. After that, two more H-frames are installed, followed by the top platform. If the height exceeds 10 feet, outriggers are added for extra balance and safety. Finally, side railings are installed to provide complete protection, and just like that, the scaffolding is ready to use. This video demonstrates how easy and time-saving aluminum scaffolding installation can be. This video demonstrates how easy and time-saving aluminum scaffolding installation can be. Thanks to aluminum lightweight nature, the process is completely hassle-free. At Arham, we use premium Jindal material ensuring superior strength, durability and safety. Never compromising on quality. Because Arham ladder, Desh ka ladder.